You may connect up to 6 compatible Bluetooth devices. The connecting procedure varies according to each cellular phone model. To check the compatibility of your device, please visit www.nissanusa.com/Bluetooth. To connect a phone to the Bluetooth system, the vehicle must be stationary. Touch this icon. Touch Connections. Then from the device menu, touch Add Device. A message will appear on your vehicle's screen directing you to enable Bluetooth on your device. Ensure that the code on your vehicle's screen matches the code displayed on your device. In your device's Bluetooth menu, ensure that notifications are enabled. You can also switch to other connected devices from the device menu. If the software on your phone has been updated and you are experiencing difficulties using the Bluetooth system, it may help to delete and then reconnect the phone. From the Connections menu, touch this icon by the name of the device and then touch Delete. Once your device is removed, repeat the connection procedure. Please see your Nissan Connect Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.